Lesson 2, it is just a practice on the critical thinking. We think about the questions that it was said, and we solve the question. We talk about the owl. We said the owl have big eyes, so can she see in the night. It has strong claws to catch the prey. It has strong beak to eat the prey. So this is the owl. Okay, the peacock, it has very colorful feather and it opens it like a fan. Okay, so we talked about the peacock. It's a bird, but it has very colorful feathers. The fabrics, we are using the fabrics in many things, in making towels, in making clothes, in making many things. Fish, it's very easy. It swims in water. It has fins. It swims with its fins, and we can eat it. And it has also scales on her skin or in its skin, and we remove it when we eating it. Number 3, lesson 3. It's very easy. We said about it. It's talking about run and jump. We can in the class, as you remember, we jump and we count the length or how far did you go in this jump. The length is how far. It's short or long. So the length, we took 2 things: the tools to measure the length and the units to measure whether it's big one or small one. What were the tools to measure the length? The number 1, the ruler, measuring ruler, and number 2, graduated tape. We said ruler is used for short objects measurement. Graduated tape for long objects measurement. We said ruler, we are using it to measure short objects, like for example the book, the pencil, the finger. This is all measured by the ruler, and it is all short objects. The graduated tape, we are using it to measure long objects, like for example the room, the classroom, the bed, long objects. Okay, so this is the measuring tools that we use to measure the length. The units to know whether it's big or small. If you hear 100, I don't know, it's 100 centimeters, so it's short, or 100 meter or 100 kilometer. So the difference between them, by the ruler, we measured the short objects and we said it's 5 centimeters. So centimeters, it is used to measure small lengths. Meter, it is measured for large lengths, and the things that we are measured it. By the graduated tape, this is what we said about it, meter. Like in the classroom, we measure the length between the door and the wall. So it is, for example, 30 meters, for example. So this is very long, but not as long as the kilometer. The kilometer, we measure it very large lengths. We measure very large lengths, like from Egypt to Alexandria, from Cairo to Alexandria, or from the classroom to the next classroom of the secondary section. So we used it for very large lengths.